They told me the city would kill my spirit, but they didn't know about the red gold hiding on my balcony. It's May 12th, 1974. And while most people think you need a sprawling field to feed a family, I'm going to show you how I fit the whole Italian summer into this single, dusty terracotta pot. If you've ever tasted a supermarket tomato and felt like you were eating wet paper, this tape is for you because we aren't. Just planting seeds today, we're capturing the sun. But wait, before you drop that seedling in, there is one thing most gardeners do that actually suffocates the fruit before it even starts. You see, this pot isn't just clay, it's a lung that needs to breathe. The secret to a tomato that tastes like a memory isn't actually in the plant. It's in the dirt. And since we don't have fancy store-bought fertilizers in 1974, we use the kitchen. I'm mixing in crushed eggshells from this morning. It's breakfast and a spoonful of dried coffee grounds until the soil feels like a crumbled chocolate cake, moist, airy, and full of life. If it's too tight, the roots will give up, and so will your harvest. But here is the real mystery. I'm adding one stinky ingredient my grandmother swore by. A few crushed anchovy heads from last night's dinner. It sounds crazy, but without this shot of calcium and minerals, your tomatoes will grow tall, but they will never grow sweet. Now look closely at this seedling, because I'm breaking the rules by stripping these bottom leaves off and burying this stem deep, almost to its neck. A tomato is a climber, and every little hair on that stem will turn into a root if you give it the chance. Building a foundation that can survive an Italian heat wave on this balcony. The sun is our best friend and our worst enemy, but be warned, the biggest mistake you'll make happens right after the planting, because most people love their plants to death. If you water it too much now, you'll kill the dream before it starts. The true secret to the 1974 harvest is a bit of artful neglect. You have to let the soil get a little thirsty to make the roots hunt for water, which makes the plant angry, and an angry plant produces the most intense, concentrated sugar. By July, these vines will be heavy, dragging the scent of Sorrento right into my kitchen window. I'm filming this so you don't forget that you don't need a garden. You just need a pot, a seed. And the patience of someone who knows the best things in life take time to ripen. The tape is running out, but the season is just beginning. So plant your red gold today, and I'll see you at harvest time. If the birds don't get there first, it's all for now.